Storm Team Meteorologist Carson Metcalf with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
Good Thursday afternoon once again, Central New York. 4:15 is the time. The view provided by our tower cam. Looking live over downtown Syracuse. Been pretty quiet today, just rather chilly, rather blustery, rather cloudy as well. And we're socked in with the clouds as you see at this hour. Let's talk temperatures. We go from that view to the temperature map. You see 35 degrees in Syracuse, a far cry from the 60s to near 70 around this time yesterday, right? 32 in Rome, 32 in Hamilton, as well as Cortland and Ithaca. And to add insult to injury, feels even colder out there because of that gusty breeze. Look at this, wind gusts over 30 miles per hour from Syracuse up toward Fulton, right at 30 miles per hour. The latest reported down in Ithaca. So those temperatures, yes, they will be in the 30s for the next few hours before sliding back into the 20s. But as that happens, that breeze will gradually, temporarily ease up. So wind chills, not much of a factor here, feeling like what the thermometer actually will have you believe first thing in the morning on Friday. However, calmer winds will not last for much longer. We've got those gusts picking back up as we head through the midday and the afternoon hours of our Friday, close to or above 30 miles per hour, for example, here in Syracuse, but gusts of 40 to even 45 or 50 miles per hour possible tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night over toward northern Cayuga and Wayne counties. That's where we've got wind advisories posted until 8 a.m. on Saturday. We go from the wind and the temperatures over to precipitation. Not much going on here north of Syracuse here on the radar picture at this hour, but some snow showers and flurries have popped up. I think the bark worse than the bite, though, here on the radar picture right now. Probably just very light snow shower flurry activity more than anything out toward the Finger Lakes right now. The Finger Lakes area near and south and west of Syracuse could pick up a quick coating to an inch or two of new snow this evening. A best chance to see more than a couple of inches of new snow tonight. They're going to be found up toward the Tug Hill Plateau. Most of that falling by about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll kind of see those skies gradually at least clear on out for a little while ahead of our next Clipper system heading into the day tomorrow. So some snow showers continue near and south and west of Syracuse this evening, likewise up toward the Tug Hill Plateau. Watch what happens, though. Those skies should gradually, at least partially, clear on out a little bit as we head through later on tonight. So a little bit of sunshine, a good possibility here, at least to begin the day on Friday. Doesn't last, though, right? As we find our cloud cover increasing by the midday and our widespread snow shower activity, courtesy of our next system. That's a Clipper getting set to roll on in by lunchtime. Snow showers mix in with and may transition over to plain old rain showers for a time as temperatures here in Syracuse and across the lower elevations get close to 40 during the afternoon. But snow persists across the higher terrain, in particular up toward the Tug Hill and into the Adirondacks. Clipper system slides on by. Some snow showers do linger, though. Lots of clouds to begin the day on Saturday, and by the time the parade steps off at noon on Saturday downtown, likely still some flakes in the air, but we should improve at least a little bit of partial sun, maybe sneaking out as things turn drier and quieter, but still blustery and chilly for the parade on Saturday. New snowfall noon tomorrow through noon on Saturday for many, including Syracuse, coating to an inch or two, 2 to 4 inches in the hills south of Syracuse. The bullseye, though, 8 to 12 plus inches of new snow by midday Saturday up on the Tug Hill Plateau. Some snow showers going over to rain with our next system Sunday, mid-40s. And Christy, check it out, 60s briefly on Monday. Then we're back to reality by Tuesday in the 20s.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.